Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Widyawati. So today I will presenting about my proposal seminar on ELT. The title of scripture is about an analysis of student vocabulary mastery at the 7th grade of SMP Negeri 3 Sindue Tobat. Inspiring article is about analysis of students' vocabulary mastery in second semester students of Business, English, and Management by Fariska Wulandari. Next, summary of the article. This purpose of this article to find out the student vocabulary the second semester students of Business, English, and Management. The research was descriptive qualitative research 65 students of second semester. Test questionnaire and observation sheet were used as the instrument data collected. The finding of this research was the students' vocabulary ability was low that can be seen from the result of the test that the student made in vocabulary test is 58. Then the result of questionnaire are 78. 6% students like learning vocabulary. 53. 84%. Students think that vocabulary ability is very important. The result of observation while the students doing the test where the researcher found that some students still get confused of the test. Rationale. On the primary research at SMP Negeri 3 Sindue Tobata, researcher found that most students had difficulty mastering vocabulary. As you know, that vocabulary mastery is vital in language acquisition. Vocabulary is the basic aspects of English support, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Because of difficulties in mastering vocabulary, researchers assume that students cannot master vocabulary well. Literature review. The first definition of vocabulary by Harvey 1995 state that vocabulary is the total number of words which make a language. It means vocabulary is the key to understand foreign language. Enrich oneself. Use vocabulary. Someone can express ideas in communication easier. The second type of vocabulary by Hermer 1991 distinguishes two types of vocabulary, active and passive. The former refers to vocabulary which students have been taught, learn, and which they are expected to be able to use. The last classification of vocabulary by C. Hippert 1080 divides vocabulary into two kinds, namely receptive vocabulary and expressive vocabulary. Okay, next, research problem and question. Research problem: to know students' learning strategy in vocabulary mastery at the 7th grade of SMP Negeri 3 Sindue Tobata. Research question is: how is students' learning strategy in vocabulary mastery at the 7th grade of SMP Negeri 3 Sindue Tobata? Okay. Research method. The first, research design. This research use descriptive qualitative research. The second data analysis is qualitative analysis. And the third, population and sample. The 7th grade students of SMP Negeri 3 Sindue Tobata. 4, instrument. Non-test interviews. And the last technique of the data collection is interviews. Conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion: the researcher concludes that teacher should be a good model in the classroom. The researcher should be practice pronouncing words properly to be imitated by the student. Suggestion: the researcher suggested to the English teacher to learn and explore more strategies in teaching English vocabulary to mental, retardation students because the strategy used to teach them should be in the different way from the strategy to teach normal students. Okay, this is reference. Thank you.